Today, the boys are in for a little treat. Sardines in their food. It's kind of a little mix of a raw diet experiment. Maybe this isn't the right time to do it, but we're gonna do it. We're going out, and the kids will be here alone, so they can deal with this. So I'm gonna drain off the olive oil so that there's not much oil. And I think, Louie, you're gonna like a little sardine. Moe, let's see if I can give him one just now. Here's a sardine. Do you think you like a sardine? What about you, Moe? One sardine? Will Moe eat a big sardine? Ooh, the other one goes right in their food. I'm gonna break it up because they're kind of soft and gushy, so I'm just gonna break it up in their food. And they are gonna love it. I love them, by the way. Amy, not so much. But I'm working on her. I got her up to mackerel. Next thing, sardines. All right, boys, enjoy. I think he likes it, Amy.
It stinks. Lou? Ooh.
Oh, just swallowed a bone.
Mo just threw up. She's what I would do. No, thank you. I like cheese.
And it's empty.
All gone. By the way he's licking the bowl, I'd say he liked it. Lou, how was that? More, please.